As you can see, so medyo mahaba to kasi as you can see, ito thicken slab lang yan. This is more thicker compared to the yellow color kasi nga kailan namin mag-reduce dyan. Kasi kapag mag-provide tayo ng beam dyan, dito, so medyo congested na. And the client wanted to make it thinner. So in that particular side. So kapag mag-produce tayo ng beam dyan, medyo deeper ang requirement dyan. Kasi mahaba. So that's why we just required or prepare the thicker slabs compare introducing instead of introducing the beams and the columns. Initially, there's a column there. Kasi may stair to dito eh. So, we just propose a thicker slab here. And this is the roof level. Para sa roof natin. Naka-roofing lang to eh, as you can see. And ito lang nag-iba kasi medyo mahaba to eh. 2.4 plus 4.199. So approximately that is 6.5 meters. And this is the roof framing schedule. Ano lang yan, extruded lang.